How to make amazing images and video using the Vidu reference model. Welcome to ViduAI for Noobs. Select reference to image from the left menu. Create your new image reference. Select the plus icon. Add up to 3 images for your reference. This will allow you more flexibility when creating images. Set your reference name and tag. Enter your style and go through the description to ensure it has the detailing right. Press confirm to create your reference. Now you can select your reference and start using it. You will see the reference name in your prompt. This makes it possible for the ViduAI model to call the reference and use it to help create your images in the chosen style. Add in your prompt and select your model. For now, we will use the viducpp model. Select your resolution, aspect ratio, and the amount of images you want to generate. Click Create. Try different prompts until you find the image you want. You can also add additional images to your creations to further improve your composition. Select the plus images button and upload an image to the workspace. You will note now that the image is defined by this tag in your prompt. Create a suitable prompt that seamlessly blends your composition together and render your image. Bonus tip. You can easily send your rendered image straight to the Vidu video generation model. To do this, select reference to video from your rendered image and add your prompt. Click Create.